Hey, let me show you the best features of the Realme Buds Air 5. So first of all, we can actually connect these earbuds into the iPhone, iPad, or for example any Android device, and we can actually get the Realme Link application. And this is actually all the best feature in the application, because right here we can find the noise cancellation, the transparency mode, and once you input both earbuds inside your ears, like in my case, I'm gonna put both of them. There we go. And now when you turn on the noise cancellation, you can even adjust the noise cancellation mode. So you get smart, max, moderate, and this last one for the quiet places. Also, we can find the wind technology, so it actually reduces noises from the wind. When you switch to the transparency mode, we can enhance voices by clicking on this icon. And also we can find this wind technology. Now I'm gonna remove them from my ears. And also we can find here the sound effects. So here we can find sound equalizer with the 4 default presets. And also we can create our custom preset by adjusting these frequencies. And here will appear your custom preset. You can actually create a lot of presets. Then we can find the dynamic bass. So if you want to get more bass, you can use this one, or if you want to lower bass, you have to move it to the left side. Right here we can also find the game mode. So the game mode is also called the low latency mode. It actually reduces latency when you are watching something or playing games. We can also find the gestures, and here we can customize them. So we've got double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. For the double tap, we can, for example, wake the voice assistant, turn the next track. With the triple, we can volume up, volume down, change songs. Also, we can enable game mode, voice assistant, or switch devices. And for the touch and hold, we can adjust, for example, the noise cancellation. When you go for the more, you can also find this automatic play and a pause function, but we are going to the right upper corner on these 2 dots where we can find firmware version, which means that we can actually update firmware of these earbuds. Once the firmware is available, you will be able to click here and tap download button somewhere here. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.